Here we have a 21 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK ECOBLUE. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, and with the off-road tyres. We also have the wide arch kit as well on this vehicle. We then have the black exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights. We also have the Ford wrap style front grille. As a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find we have the side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We do also have grey door handles and door mirrors. We then have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll also find the roof rails. We do also have the rear spoiler and the rear truckman canopy. We do have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We also have the mud flaps on the back as well. Back round to the rear, you can see just there, got the Ranger stickers across the tailgate. Just open up the back, just like so. You can see we have plenty of space inside of here for whatever you may need. Just there, just close that back up. There's a closer look as well inside. And then closing it back, just make sure that is closed properly. Close the top off. And make our way back round to the driver's side. You'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if you just take a look at the interior, so coming into the back first, you'll find we have the half leather seats, orange stitching. We do have the foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We have the WILDTRAK floor mats as well. We also have the 12-volt connectivity down there in the centre, brush mat handles and electric windows on the doors. Take a look at the front, you'll find the same half leather seats with the WILDTRAK logo embroidered on each one. Both front seats are also heated and the driver's seat is electrically adjustable, controlled just down here. We then have the electric mirrors with child lock for the electric windows, with child lock for the rear, electric mirrors just here. We also have the automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside, you'll find the dashboard in front of us with the two digital screens either side. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle will start up. We do have the phone connectivity and volume buttons here on the left, cruise control and speedometer on the right. Dashboard, as you can see, is free from any warning lights. We do have the media on the left and also the trip computer with the digital speedo on the right. We then have the main infotainment screen here in the centre, which is touchscreen. It's currently showing the sat nav, but if you go onto the home, then you'll find we have different features on here which you can go through. You find that we have the audio, which is where you find the radio stations, but we do also have the Bluetooth audio and the CD player. We then have the climate control, which has the dual zone for the front passengers, and we also have the ice cold air conditioning. We then have the phone connectivity for phone calls along with the mobile apps. Onto the settings you find further features which you can scroll through just here. We do also have the ambient lighting as well. Now moving further down, you'll then find again the climate control, but in physical buttons. We also have the heat seat buttons either side, and again the ice cold air conditioning, all working as they should do. Two 12-volt connectivities, two USB ports. We then have the buttons just down here for the traction control, rear differential lock, hill descent control. We have the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low settings. We then have the automatic gearbox. Into reverse, you find the parking sensors and also reverse camera appear on the screen. Back into park, just like so, we have the two cup holders, manual handbrake, and also the armrest here in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.